What if you could build a complete online business in just one day? Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it, from idea to income, with AI tools. Step 1. Choose a digital product idea people want to buy. I'll create an ebook about AI marketing for beginners. Step 2. Create your product with AI, no writing from scratch. Step 3. Design a beautiful cover in Canva. Step 4. Build your sales funnel in Systemed.io. Add a landing page, product checkout, and thank you page. Step 5. Create a promo video in InVideo to attract customers. Use text to video to turn your script into a professional ad. Step 6. Connect everything, funnel, product, and payment. Step 7. Launch and promote your business. Share your link on social media, email, and ads. Track your sales in Systemed.io's analytics dashboard. Adjust your marketing to improve conversions. All this without coding, a team, or spending a single dollar upfront. Systemed.io handles your website, emails, and sales. InVideo helps you grab attention with video ads. Canva makes your designs look professional instantly. Ready to start your journey from idea to income? Click the first link in the description for your free Systeme.io account. You'll also get my bonus templates if you sign up through my link. Don't wait. Your first sale could be just one day away. Build, launch, and grow. See you inside.